Just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to take off the chrome trim here in order to wrap it. It's pretty simple. You'll want to use a plastic pry tool, and if you just start from this edge right here, pop it up. And again, the edge, pop it up. And it should all pop up like this. You just work it out. Pull up. It comes off pretty easily. Just pops off like that. Just use a plastic pry tool so you don't damage your paint. And just pop it off like this. Take your time, slowly around all the edges here. And as you can see, it just pops out like this, away from the window. This makes it a million times easier to wrap than trying to wrap it on the car itself. So once you've got it all popped up, it'll literally just come off like this. Yeah, just like that. Really easy. All right, to get to this front trim right here, you're gonna have to take off the mirror because this part lifts up and this mirror is in the way. So what you want to do is take off this tweeter cover so it just pops off. There's a little force right here, and then you're gonna have to pop off the door trim right here a little bit in order to get access to the these are T25 Torx bits right here that hold the mirror in. So once you've got out the two Torx bits that are inside here, there's another one hidden right on this panel right here holding the mirror in. Once you've got the screws, 3 screws off, mirror should turn off pretty easily here. As you can just see, you can wiggle it off. Just take your time. It should pop off. Just keep in mind that there's a ribbon attached to it inside also. So once you've got the mirror out, it's the same idea. You basically pry off, starting in this corner. Make sure you use a plastic pry tool, and it'll also pop off like this. I'm probably just gonna leave my mirror hanging carefully here. Make sure it doesn't pull too hard on the wires. As you can see here, kind of got it popped off, just holding onto the mirror. Make sure you don't break the wires here. Just pull it off slowly and it's gonna pop off from the front end of the car to the back. So once you got to here, you can just pull the chrome trim away from the rubber slowly, and it pops right off. It's just held on by this edge right here and this rubber seal. And yeah, just careful with your mirror. This is what it looks like without trim. I got all the chrome bits here to be wrapped. So as you can see here, this is the wrapped trim. Gloss black. I haven't put this part back on yet, but this is the trim I wrapped. It's probably about the longest time it takes is to wrap things, so you want to allocate a few hours to do it.